Your cinematic shots mean nothing if your story sucks. Welcome to the Mindshift series because I promised myself I'd stop hiding and start showing up daily. This is episode 2, Filmmaking Lessons. As a filmmaker who started with a cheap camera and wala talaga akong direction noon, I obsess sa mga fancy gear and yung mga fancy shots, ganyan. I learned the hard way na none of it really matters kung walang story. Filmmaking taught me lessons that I didn't even expect na pwede sa buhay or may apply sa buhay natin. One is yung framing or composition. How you see things changes everything. Parang nagbabago yung perspective mo. Meron din tayong lighting. Lighting is used sa filmmaking to focus on what actually matters. And lastly, sa mga editing, sa video editing, not everything belongs in the final cut. So, meron ka talagang puputulin or tatanggalin sa video mo. That's the same thing sa natin, no? Sa buhay natin. It's not about the shots, it's about the story. What frame of your life that you need to refocus right now? That's it. Peace.